Virtual machine farms have endless browser capabilities. We can make browsers, endless browsers, where virtual machines are no longer made, they are virtualized. For the longest time, I knew it was possible, but I had to see it with my own eyes. The technology I'm talking about is application virtualization, where we can cherry-pick browsers in a virtual machine and make endless copies on demand with one shared copy. Companies like Sauce Labs, BrowserStack, and those assholes in the Netherlands who won't write us back have done this very same thing and are charging an arm and a leg. In order to do this, 3 things needed to happen first. Set up a hub using Selenium grid, add browser nodes to the grid by pointing virtual machines to the hub. Change one line of code in the WebDriver framework to point to our remote WebDriver instead of Sauce Labs. These have been completed and integrated into the TeamCity build process. Here's a quick demo. Here's how it works. TeamCity starts the Selenium grid hub, and the virtual machines that are pointing at the hub get added to the grid. See here on the console. TeamCity then runs the scripts in the framework and they enter the queue. Right now we have 3 Firefox browsers available. With the ThinApp virtualization, we can increase this number exponentially without physically making or managing virtual machines as nodes. To put it in perspective, when we run Oberon smoke tests, you could go to 5 Horses Tavern for lunch, come back, and it should just about finish. When running the full UAT suite, you could drive from the DC office to the Somerville office, have lunch at 5 Horses Tavern, and drive back to the DC office, and do this 3 times, and the test suite should just about finish. With just 10 browsers, you could reduce the smoke test runs from an hour to about 5 minutes. And then you could reduce the full UAT suite from a day and a half to a little under 4 hours. Just think, what could we do with 25 browsers, 50 browsers, 100 browsers? This video was brought to you by Christopher Grandois, the automation architect in the Somerville office. Thank you for your time and vote.